Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, Washington Boulevard. Now we just passed over Malines Road and we're heading towards Mandala Highway. As you can see, Washington Boulevard is a 6-lane road, and that will help. That's because the road is so busy. Now, when you're driving from Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, to Mandala Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, the most popular route you would take is to go up Constant Spring Road, turn onto Dunrobin Avenue, and then come on to Washington Boulevard. So that's why this road is so busy, and that's why it's so wide. Also, it has a lot of communities, very large communities that you access off Washington Boulevard. On the right is the Marvelly area. That's a very large community in Kingston. And you also have, as we go further down, you're going to have Pembroke Hall, which is a massive community. Then you're going to have Corville Gardens, you're going to have Washington Gardens. We've passed those already. Washington Gardens, Zadie Gardens. We've passed the turnoff to those already. You also have Malines Gardens. A lot of communities. So that's also another reason why this road is so so busy. On the right, we just passed the Boulevard Supercenter, which is one of the largest and most popular malls in the city of Kingston. So if we were to turn right here, we'd go into the Pembroke Hall area. But we're going to continue straight and head out of the city of Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, on the left is the Dairy Industries facility. That's where they make the tasty cheese. And as we cross over this light, we're going to come up on a bridge. It's 3 lanes on this side of the road, but coming up in the opposite direction, it's 2 lanes. So that bridge is going to be expanded soon to make it 3 lanes so that their traffic flows more freely. Okay. There are 2 roads. Okay, well, let's look at Mandala Highway. That's the busiest road in Jamaica. And that road takes you out of the city of Kingston to Portmore and to Spanish Town. It also takes you to the 2 major highways. Okay, this is the bridge we're on now. So it's 3 lanes on this side, but on the opposite side, it's 2 lanes. Alright, so Mandala Highway basically takes you to Portmore, from Kingston to Portmore, from Kingston to Spanish Town, and also that's where you access the 2 major highways in Jamaica. Highway 2000, the PJ Patterson Highway that runs from Mandela to Maypen and eventually Mandeville, and then you have the highway from Mandela that takes you to Ocherius, or more specifically Miami Bay. So Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. Now, when you're leaving the city of Kingston, which is the largest city in Jamaica, has the largest population, almost 1 million people, there are 2 main routes you can take. One is one is Washington Boulevard, which we're on, and the second is Spanish Town Road. However, if you're coming from the St. Andrew Parish area, this is the route you're more likely to take. And if you're coming from this parish of Kingston, which is like downtown Kingston, you're more likely to take the Spanish Town Road route. Alright, so on the right is the turn off to the Haney Park, which is another very large community. And we're going to turn right. On the left is Corville Gardens, a very large community. But we're going to turn right and go into the Haney Park. And the Haney Park Plaza, you'll see it, well, it's on the right. You can't see it with the camera view now. But the plaza was recently renovated, very nicely done. we have videos up of the project and the finished mall, so you can take a look at that. This is a very busy intersection, so it's good that persons use the pedestrian crossing to cross. Now if we had continued straight where you see that overhead bridge, that is Mandala Highway. So if we continued straight, we'd go on to Mandala, but if we pass this light and turn left, we would go on to Spanish Town Road. So you would think the intersection of Washington Boulevard, Mandala, and Spanish Town Road would be the busiest. Okay, that's the plaza there on the left. Would be the busiest intersection in Jamaica, but it's actually not. It's the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. That's the busiest intersection. Alright, so we're going back up Washington Boulevard now to give you guys more of a tour of the road from this side. It's also 3 lanes on this side, so it's a 6-lane road. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. This is Washington Boulevard. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.